Welcome to my channel Cooking and Style. Before we start this recipe, please subscribe to my channel Cooking and Style. Now let's start the recipe. For this recipe you will need 3 chopped carrots, 1 sliced apple, 2 plums, 1 ginger slice, 1 glass of water. Add all of the ingredients into the blender. Now blend it until it is smooth. This smoothie helps with detoxification. Detox is when your body gets rid of toxic and unhealthy substances. Blend it until it is smooth. The smoothie is now done. It is very healthy and is perfect for weight loss. If you have not already subscribed to our channel Cooking and Style, please subscribe. Like this video and share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Comment down below your opinions on this recipe in the comment section down below. Allah Hafiz. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed.